are going to start the second chapter of our political science book or civics book, and the name of the chapter is Role of Government in Health. Okay class, in this chapter we will learn about the concept of health, means what is health in actual terms. Then we will discuss about the health services provided by Indian government or the health services in India. There are two types of, we will discuss about public health services and private health services. So class, let's start the topic and discuss what is the concept of health. If I say what is health, what will come in your mind? Means how will you define health? Will you define it as ability to be free from illness and stay healthy, stay without any injuries, or our ability, the ability of our body to remain free from any kind of injury or fever or any illness? Will you define it like that? No. Health actually is the all-round concept which includes our ability to fight from many types of illnesses, plus the structure or our ability to be like in good position, a good mental way, a good condition in mental and physical way. Like we are not very fat, we are not very thin. Secondly, we are not we are getting pure water and pure air to breathe in. This is the health, the real concept of health. So if I say what is health, health is the ability of our body to be free from all kind of illness and the environmental condition where we get pure air, pure water, and we get all the nutrition, healthy food or healthy air, and we are emotionally, mentally and physically in a good health and condition. So this is what the true concept of health is. Now if I say what does our government do to ensure the health or good health among its citizens, so it will come that if we talk about the records, अगर हम records की बात करें तो every year near about 15,000 people from India complete their course of doctorate, means they complete their MBBS, MS or any kind of course in medical terms. Besides that, year by year the medical practitioners or number of hospitals or number of people involved in medical services are increasing year by year. Like earlier in 1991, the people serving in medical line were 11,174, but in year 2000 it was 18,218. And India is the highest India is the first country or the highest India is the top country where many medical tourists visit for their treatment. Now the term medical tourist. Let's see class, what is medical tourist? A medical tourist is a person who visits another country or who leaves his native country and visit another country for medical treatment or getting medical facilities. Maybe medical facility in his country is poor, or he don't get the specialized surgeon in his country, a native country. So that's why maybe it is very costly over there. So he have to go to another country where it is super class or high class facility, medical facility are provided. So medical tourist is a term used for people who leave their country and go to some other country for getting any medical treatment. This is medical tourist. Day by day, India is the country which have the highest number of medical tourists in the world, and other than that, India is the fourth largest producer of medicines in the world, and it is also a largest or highest exporter of medicines. So if we see these points or these mentioned 4 points, we will conclude that India has a superb medical facility or healthcare services, right? But besides that, we will see the contradictions. इसके अलावा इनका opposite क्या हो रहा है इंडिया में, we will see that. Like most of the doctors, means I talk about, means every year 15,000 people qualify as a doctor and they complete their course of doctorate. But most of them क्या करते हैं, most of them leave India and they serve in foreign countries. वो इंडिया छोड़ के फॉरेन कंट्रीज में सर्व करना शुरू कर देते. तो हमारा मेडिकल सिस्टम या हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम तो गया, बिकॉज आवर मेडिकल डॉक्टर्स हु हैव डन देयर कोर्सेज और मेडिकल कोर्सेज फ्रॉम इंडिया, दे लीव आवर कंट्री एंड दे स्टार्ट सर्विंग फॉरेन कंट्रीज. सो दिस इज the first point जहाँ पे हमारे 15,000 people every year they were completing their course of medical and most of them क्या करते हैं, they leave our own country. Now second thing I talked about, day by day or year by year, the number of medical services or medical hospitals like medical hospitals, super specialty centers or path labs are increasing year by year. I told you that increase every year we have increase in medical facility, but even then we are not able to stop the cases or minimize the cases of malaria, dengue, tuberculosis, cholera and so many so many other diseases, because every year we get the number of patients increasing and increasing. We are not able to lower down the cases of TB, malaria and other illnesses, other problems. Now the third point where I discussed that it is the country which have the highest number of medical tourists, but beyond that we are not able to control our communicable diseases. The third point which I discussed was a number of highest number of medical tourists. But besides that, इसका opposite क्या है? We are not able to control communicable diseases. Communicable diseases are the diseases which spread by touching or by air, or which get transferred from one person to another person. हमारे देश में मेडिकल टूरिस्ट हर साल बहुत ज़्यादा आते हैं. इंडिया इज द हाईएस्ट कंट्री विद द मेडिकल टूरिस्ट विजिटिंग एवरी ईयर. बट बिसाइड्स दैट इसका ऑपोजिट क्या हो रहा है हमारे देश में? वी आर नॉट एबल टू कंट्रोल द कम्युनिकेबल डिजीजेस लाइक डायरिया, like hepatitis and cholera, which are communicable. Next, the last point which I told you, that India is the highest medicine producer. India is the highest medicine producer in the country. But beyond that, in India, many people or many children don't get balanced diet. Many children are like who are devoid or deprived of their balanced diet, so they turn into malnutrition. इसीलिए वो क्या हो जाते हैं, malnutrition और undernourished, वो properly grow नहीं कर पाते हैं. Fine. So class, this was the 4 things which told about the health care in India. Now I will tell you about the health services in India through a story. There is a story about 2 students, 2 friends. One of them is Ranjan and the other one is Aman. Aman and Ranjan are 2 friends. One of them suppose Ranjan belonged to a well-to-do family or a rich family, and Aman belonged to a poor family. Now, one day they met after so many days, and then Ranjan asked, "Hey Aman, how are you? Where have you been? I was suffering from viral fever, and that's why I was absent from last 1 week." And Aman also said, "Yes Ranjan, so is the case with me. मेरे साथ भी प्रॉब्लम हो गई थी, मुझे भी वायरल फीवर हो गया था, इसीलिए मैं भी 1 हफ्ते तक स्कूल नहीं आया." Then Ranjan started to tell about his medical treatment. Ranjan belonged to a well-to-do family, and he said, "My dad took me to the hospital and it looked like a 5-star hotel." और वो कैसा लग रहा था, 5-star होटल के जैसा. Then हमारा अपॉइंटमेंट पहले से फिक्स था, तो I waited. We paid the appointment fees or visiting fees to the doctor. That was 500 rupees. Then I went to the doctor. He prescribed me some test. और जब मैंने टेस्ट कराया, जिसके पास मैं टेस्ट कराने के लिए गए, नर्स के पास, the nurse was very good. She was talking to me while she was injecting me or taking my blood samples. And after that, when I showed, within an hour or within few minutes, हमारी reports आ गई थी. Then I showed my report to the doctor. Doctor said everything is fine. It is just a viral fever. All the reports are normal. I'm prescribing you some medicines. This is for fever. This is for your body ache. And this is a syrup which is a kind of multivitamin. And this is very tasty. So this is how Ranjan got his treatment. And he said, "Doctor, I am very happy." Ranjan was very happy even visiting the doctor. Now, Aman told his story. He said, "I told my father I'm having fever, but father was not willing to take me to the hospital." Fine. Then when the fever grew more or he got more serious, then his father took him to the government hospital, where they have to make a long line outside a OPD counter. Then they get their receipt, enrollment receipt, registration receipt, and after that, after hours of waiting, he got his turn. He went to the doctor, and doctor said, "ठीक है, go through these tests and show me the report." After that, now the blood samples were taken, and the reports was given after 7 days. So after 7 days, he gave the reports. Now he said, when they showed the report when they went to the government hospital once again to show the reports, this time the doctor was different. There was a different doctor. So he said, he saw the reports. He said everything is fine. It's just a fever, and she gave nothing but a fever reducing medicine. And then he said, then the discussion was over. He got only one medicine and a few tests, and the report was given after 7 days. And in this case, there were 2 different doctors. So class, now Ranjan thought, and he told that my medicine cost me only 150 rupees. Now Ranjan said, "Yeah, my hospital was very good. There was no crowd. We straight away went to the doctor, but the doctor gave me a lot of medicines, 3 or 4 kind of medicines, plus the whole test and all charged near the medicines cost 3,500 rupees, plus the test and the enrollment fees or registration fees costed separately. Means it was a kind of expensive treatment." And he said, "I got treatment in only 150 rupees, but it took long time." Then the story. Now class, these were the 2 different stories. One was of Ranjan. So can you tell me which kind of hospital Ranjan must have visited? Ranjan had visited private health service. Okay, it was a hospital visited by Ranjan. And Aman, he had visited public health service. So class, now what is the difference between public health service and private health service? Let's discuss. Public health services are the services, public services which are supervised or offered by the Indian government, where all the kind of treatment or all the kind of checkups and treatment is done through central government. But the public private health service where Ranjan go for checkup, it is the healthcare service which is a private clinic which is owned by a particular doctor, and where the medical officer or the doctor have taken the registered medical practitioner's certificate from the government. So this is the difference. We will read about these two, public health service or private health and private health service, in our later section. What you have to do today at home is you have to write down the glossary words